This video is on GM's 2.7-liter L3B engine, referred to as the Turbomax. The GM L3B is a turbocharged gasoline engine produced by General Motors for use in various vehicles, including pickups and cars, displacing 2.7-liter in an inline 4-cylinder engine configuration, entering in production in 2019. In 2024, GM started branding it as the Turbomax. The L3B made its debut in 2019 in the Chevy Silverado 1500 and the GMC Sierra 1500, starting out at 310 horsepower and 348 pound-feet of torque. In 2022, the engine received a serious upgrade, resulting in what was called the high-output version, increasing not only horsepower but also torque, going from 348 pounds of torque to 430 pounds of torque. The L3B was specifically designed for trucks, typically peaking out at 1,500 to 4,000 RPM. They did this by putting in a 4-inch stroke, the Valvetrain. The cornerstone of the 2.7-liter turbo L3B is an innovative double-overhead cam Valvetrain, and GM's first with active fuel management, taking a 4-cylinder engine and turning it into a 2, with having high and low valve profiles, and continuously changing valve timing. GM gave this a moniker Valvetrain with tripower. In fact, the innovative Valvetrain is GM's first to incorporate variable lifters, duration, and active fuel management to optimize performance and efficiency across the RPM band. It is the key reason engine's peak torque is available at only 1,500 RPM. The system's electromechanical variable crankshaft effectively allows the engine to operate with 3 different crankshaft profiles, complementing the variable valve timing system to deliver optimized operating modes for different engine speeds and loads. High valve lift for full power, low valve lift for balance and power efficiency, and active fuel management to shut down 2 of the cylinders in light load conditions to further conserve fuel. It's like having 3 different engines. The crankshaft is designed alters lift intake and exhaust valves. As the engine's load changes, so does the profile. The 2.7-liter turbo engine employs an advanced dual-volute turbocharger that elevates the performance and efficiency advantages of a conventional turbo, with a quicker response and enhanced lower RPM torque production. Rather than a single chamber feeding exhaust gases from the exhaust manifold to the drive of the turbine, the dual-volute design has a pair of separate chambers with 2 exhaust gas inlets and 2 nozzles to drive the turbine. The design allows the exhaust pulse of the engine to be leveraged for faster spool-up and sequentially boosts production, particularly at low RPM, where the effect significantly enhances torque, output, and drivability. Additionally, the dual-volute supercharger houses an improved throttle response at low speed torque. The variable pressure oiling system with a continuous variable displacement optimizing oil pressure. It also has an electronic water pump supporting active fuel management, which eliminates the parasitic draw of a conventional water pump. Its direct injection is for optimized efficiency and performance. With direct injection, it optimizes the compression chamber, misting the fuel for better compression. Dual overhead cams contribute to the 2.7-liter Turbomax smoothness at high output. The integrated exhaust manifold, as part of the cylinder head assembly, recovers exhaust and quicker turbo response. This engine is widely used by GM, covering trucks from the Colorado all the way to the Sierra, as well as some of the Cadillac models, the Tahoe, and the Yukon. The overall specs are impressive. For a 4-cylinder engine, this engine does a lot. And that's a quick overview of the GM 2.7-liter Turbomax engine. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.